Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think we are very likely in a wave 4, which would make 3 waves down before it goes up again to make a wave 5 to complete what I think is an extremely clear 5-way pattern to the upside on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, I think this is a wave A. I think this is a wave B. I still think there's a good chance this is going to keep going down for a 5 waves down of wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily, the market structure is definitely down, but the market flow is definitely up. So you definitely could be looking for longs on sort of time frames while watching these Fibonacci levels for a possible reversal to the downside and a possible end of a wave 2. And since you're looking for longs on sort of time frames, if it actually just keeps on going up, then that really shouldn't be a problem at all. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, definitely looking for longs. We had a nice break of structure to the upside last week. We really should have been looking for longs ever since that point. While we're watching these Fibonacci levels for a possible double top and a possible break of structure to the downside to start looking for shorts again, taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So we are definitely looking for longs at the end of 3-way pullbacks, especially. And there's been a lot of 3-way pullbacks over the last couple of weeks, so there definitely has been opportunities to go long at the end of pretty much any one of these 3-way pullbacks. But while we're looking for longs, we should be paying very close attention to these fib retracement levels. Eventually, if we do get a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. If it just continues to make the high low series, especially on the 4 hour time frame, then I would just continue to go long every single pullback I see for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.